My name is Michelle Martinez Guerra and we're playing the ABC Jump Rope. The game is about jumping the rope while we are telling the ABC. In the moment that you stop jumping, you have to tell one word with the letter that you stop. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Faster! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, J, J, J,
Jump.
One, two, three. A, B, C. C?
Car.
Car. Primero lento. A, B, C, D, E.
Elephant.
You. Again. Luego voy yo. A, B, C, D, E, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, Q.
Queen.
No tan rápido. Digan ustedes a la vez.